Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Midwest Market Solutions Insider Commentaries. This is Brian Hoops. It is crop report day, Friday, June the 9th. As you can see, I'm sitting outside. It's a beautiful morning here on the lake, and don't know if I'll stay out here very long, but I might come back out later on after the crop report this morning. I really don't look for this report to be much in the way of a market-moving report. I think it's going to be very minimal. We'll have algorithm trades right after the report's release. A lot of these computers will trade the numbers. They're programmed to trade real quick. And then after that, we go back to trading weather. It's going to be very hot and windy this weekend, and that's going to stress crops, especially in dry areas. It's going to dry soil moistures out even further. I think crop rains will be back down on Monday in corn and in spring wheat. We did have some rain here. I'm in the Storm Lake, Iowa area on the lake here. And we had a good half inch of rain last night, very much needed. A lot of the lawns and people's lawns were actually starting to turn brown already. The lake that's behind me, I can see it has dropped, in the last month or so. Lake levels have dropped already because it is starting to get fairly dry after a very wet spring. So we do look for some choppy grains early this morning. I think your upside leaders still remain Minneapolis wheat. The oat market is being very volatile. Corn is a buy, I think, on pullbacks in here. We saw a very poor technical close yesterday, and you can ignore a lot of that because of the weather will override it. And so if we get pullbacks in the market, let's look to be buyers on that setback in the corn. Especially if you're an end user and need to have corn coverage for the summer. Don't sleep on that. And if you've made cash sales, now would be a good time to look at re-owning them, because you can get some big moves here in the next 3 to 4 weeks before this weather pattern changes again. If you've been following our commentaries, I've talked about this change in weather pattern starting around Memorial Day, just a little bit before. We're going to transition from a cool and wet period into a hot and dry, and that's the period we're in. That's going to change again right around the 4th of July. So that is when the weather cycles change next. From a spec standpoint, we have a lot of positions on, and you can get our newsletter that comes out every night with my audio comments talking about the trades, stops, targets, and everything. And that you can get a free trial to that. Just go to our website and sign up, or give me a call, and I'll get you signed up on that free trial to our spec newsletter. One thing we're going to try and take profits on is our long hog position today. I think the market's going to be up. Products, loins, bellies, cash markets, all higher. I think we react to that and trade higher here this morning. Cattle look to be two-sided and mixed. All right, I'm going to sign off here, get back to work. Have a great day, everyone. Good luck, good trading, and we'll talk to you again soon.